Oh, it's FragWatch. Yeah. Oh, it's FragWatch. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lamzu Inca Superlight Wireless Gaming Mouse 8K. It says here, no lag, no delay, low power, 2.4 gigahertz wireless / wired gaming mouse. 40 grams. I'm excited. They got my attention. Let's open her up. Here's the box. Quite nice. Quite nice. Rocking it around. Suitable for claw grip. There we go. Somebody's listening. Somebody's fucking listening to my suggestions. Look at that. Nice. Listen to this pop. Oh, it's satisfying. See the inside of that. Wee. Yo, all right. I got the typical Lamzu design here. Once ever so powerful, dreaming only of paradise, yet now seated into the records of history, their stories forever a lost mystery, while fragments of existence remain and secrets are slowly unraveled, still only the surface can be seen by Lamzu. Inca. Dongle. Ooh, that's got a really cool texture to it. That's cool. Okay. Inca. No skates. Lamzu, I love you. This is the first mouse you've sent me that didn't have skates on it already. They got a hell of a nice powder coating, man. Holy shit. Okay. Let's move on. Oh, shit. What was that? Aha. Grippy boys and skates. And here we got instruction booklet. Kind of cool. Look at that cover. It's kind of neat. Yeah. Okay. I'll give you the stiffness rating from 1 to 10. It's like a 9. Jesus. That's a stiff cord. Don't give me a stiffy. All right. We're just having fun. Don't give me a stiffy. Don't give me a stiff cable. This is ridiculous. All right. You guys want to watch me fail at putting skates on?
Yeah, FragWatch, that sounds so fun.
Okay, you weirdos. Calm down. What is this? My fucking ring skates falling off in here? No, this is not good. You can hear the anger in my voice. Because they got like 8 ring skates and they knew they were sending this to me. That's like, fuck this. Fuck FragWatch. We know he's a weirdo. He's like 18 of these. I'm like, you're damn right. Okay, let's watch me fail at the ring skate. Yeah. Fucking just slap that on there. Oh, man. Okay, that is fucking... Man, that's fucking on there. Jesus Christ. I don't want to, like, damage the skate. But it is, like... It's fighting me, folks. This fucking skate is fighting me. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see here. I always like failing this way. And then we just let it... Oh. Damn, I got that pretty good. I got it pretty good. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about that. I'm feeling good about that placement. I don't think I'm gonna need this grip tape. That's for sure. This coating is good. That's what that means. Is this coating is very nice. All right, we got side boy 1. Oh, did you see that? Oof. That's a crispy install right there. I fucking drop it from like, it's like fucking taking your first 3-pointer and just swooshing it. See if I can do it again. I'm gonna fuck this up. Yeah, I did. Okay, we're rocking. Okay. I'm giving this like a 2 out of 10 on the fun scale. Fucking do this for me, please. God, like, I don't get people's obsession with like, I want to do it. Oh, go fuck yourself. I don't. You know, if you want to be some sort of weirdo and do this yourself, then you know, then you'll like ripping the original skates off too. That'll be something that a weirdo like you would like. So for us older folks, put the fucking skates on for us. Yeah. I don't want to do this with every mouse. You know, I guess I'm an odd one out because I review mice, so it's like I don't want to do this multiple times a week. Anyways, we're almost done with this unboxing. People who didn't want to watch me fail at putting skates on in a fucking unboxing video. All right, we got that. Buttons feel nice. All right, here, let's peel these boys off without damaging the skates. Yeah, okay. It's one. I just cut my fingernails, so this is very fucking difficult. Holy shit. Just, god damn it. Why can't they fucking do this for us? I ask again, what the fuck are you doing? Please don't make us ever do this again. Hey man, don't make us fucking put skates on. Alright, FragWatch out. Lamzu Inca. Take it easy. Boop, 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 boop.